World Bank. World Bank in full, World Bank Group, international organization affiliated with the United Nations and designed to finance projects that enhance the economic development of member states. Headquartered in Washington, D.C., the bank is the largest source of financial assistance to developing countries. It also provides technical assistance and policy advice and supervises on behalf of international creditors the implementation of free market reforms. Together with International Monetary Fund and World Trade Organization, it plays a central role in overseeing economic policy and reforming public institutions in developing countries and defining the global macroeconomic agenda. Founded in 1944 at the UN Monetary and Financial Conference, commonly known as the Bretton Woods Conference, which was convened to establish a new post-World War II international economic system. The World Bank officially began operations in 1946. The current president of the World Bank is David Malpass. The World Bank is related to the UN, though it's not accountable either to the General Assembly or to the Security Council. Each of the bank's more than 180 member states are represented on the Board of Governors, which meet once a year. The governors are usually their country's finance ministers or central bank governors. 5 major countries, the United States, Japan, Germany, the United Kingdom, and France, appoint their own executive directors. The other countries are grouped into regions, each of which elects one executive director. 180 member states are represented on the Board of Governors, which meets once a year. The World Bank Group comprises 5 constituent institutions: the International Bank for Reconstruction and Development (IBRD), the International Development Association (IDA), the International Finance Corporation (IFC), the Multilateral Investment Guarantee Agency (MIGA), and the International Center for Settlement of Investment Disputes (ICSID). The first organization is the International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, an institution that provides debt financing to governments that are considered middle income. The second organization within the World Bank Group is the International Development Association, a group that gives interest-free loans to the governments of poor countries. The International Finance Corporation, the third organization, focuses on the private sector and provides developing countries with investment financing and financial advisory services. The fourth part of the World Bank Group is the Multilateral Investment Guarantee Agency, an organization that promotes foreign direct investments in developing countries. The fifth organization is the International Center for Settlement of Investment Disputes, an entity that provides arbitration on international investment disputes. The bank obtains its funds from the capital subscriptions of member countries, bond flotations on the world's capital markets, and net earnings accrued from interest payments on IBRD and IFC loans. Approximately 1/10 of the subscribed capital is paid directly to the bank, with the remainder subject to call if required to meet obligations. The World Bank focused its efforts on providing financial assistance in the form of balance of payment support and loans for infrastructural projects such as roads, port facilities, schools, and hospitals, although emphasizing poverty alleviation and debt relief for the world's least developed countries. The World Bank is the world's largest multilateral creditor institution, and as such, many of the world's poorest countries owe it large sums of money. Indeed, for dozens of the most heavily indebted poor countries, the largest part of their external debt, in some cases constituting more than 50%, is owed to the World Bank and the multilateral regional development banks. Some of the functions of the World Bank include: it helps the war-devastated countries by granting them loans for reconstruction. Thus, they provide extensive experience and financial resources of the bank, help poor countries increase their economic growth, reducing poverty and a better standard of living. Also, it helps underdeveloped countries by granting them developmental loans. So, it also provides loans to various governments for irrigation, agriculture, water supply, health, education, etc. Also, the World Bank provides economic, monetary, and technical advice to the member countries for any of their projects. Some of the objectives of the World Bank includes providing long-term capital to its member nations for economic development and reconstruction. It also helps by providing guarantees against loans granted to large and small units and other projects for the member nations. It ensures that the development projects are implemented, thus, it brings a sense of transparency for a nation from wartime to a peaceful economy. Purposes of the World Bank. It wants to create an environment that is pro investment. Also, it wants to improve the economic stability by reducing poverty. So, it is working toward achieving sustainable growth, increasing the opportunities for jobs and businesses in member nations which are underdeveloped. Through investment, it plans to promote the socio-economic status of the society, strengthening the government of its member nations by promoting education. Also, it wants to ensure that the judicial and legal systems are developed and individual rights are protected. India has received 3 loans worth $2.5 billion to fight the deadly coronavirus disease outbreak. The first loan was extended by the World Bank to partly finance India's measures to prevent, detect, and respond to the threat posed by the disease outbreak, in addition to strengthening national machinery for public health preparedness. The second loan relating to social protection measures worth $750 million was signed on 15 May 2020 as budgetary support to the Government of India for accelerating India's COVID-19 social protection response program to support relief measures to beneficiaries under Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan package. The third loan aimed at boosting economic stimulus worth $750 million was signed on July 6, 2020 as budgetary support to the Indian government in order to support MSMEs under Atmanirbhar Bharat package. This is the largest ever health sector support from the bank to India. This new support covered all states and union territories across India and addressed the needs of infected people, at-risk population, medical and emergency personnel, and service providers and medical testing facilities. Thank you.